Welcome to this tutorial on fetching Medium articles in Markdown format using the Medium API. Let's dive in. First, install the Medium API package by running pip install Medium API in your terminal. Next, create a file named main.py where we'll write our script. First, import the necessary libraries. It will us to handle environment variables and Medium from the Medium API package for interacting with Medium. Initialize the Medium API using your API key stored in an environment variable. Make sure you've set up the key beforehand to proceed seamlessly. This ensures your key remains secure and is not exposed directly in the code. Now we'll add a placeholder for the Medium article URL we want to fetch. Go to Medium, copy the URL of an article from the browser's address bar, and paste it into the code. Next, we'll extract the article ID from the Medium article URL. This step is essential because the API needs the unique article ID to fetch the correct content. With the article ID in hand, we'll use it to fetch the article's content. The Medium API provides a method to retrieve the article in a structured format. Now, to save the fetched article in Markdown format, we'll open a new file named article.md, and we'll write the article's Markdown content into this file. Make sure to save your code as we're ready to run the script in the next step. Once the script runs, you'll see a new file named article.md. Open it to preview the Markdown version of your Medium article, and there you have it, a Medium article in Markdown format, ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy coding.